Let's talk a little bit more about what content creators, podcasters, YouTubers, YouTube Live people, what kind of services would they need? What kind of services could somebody in this content creation space would they need from a lawyer?
So it's funny you say that, because as we were sitting here in my inbox, I just got a copy of a release that I signed for a podcast that I did a few weeks ago that they just sent me the finalized version. So that right there is an example of something where like a content creator or a podcaster or something needs to have written contracts in place for what they're creating. So for instance, that release, solidifies the relationship between the guest and the podcast host, that says who owns what, who has the rights to what, how you can reproduce it, how you can use it, how you can market it or do whatever. And if you don't have that in writing in a written contract, then you're going to have problems. So that's an example of something like how a content creator would need a contract in place to enforce their rights with their guests. So there's a lot of content. There's a lot of, I would say, contract-based things that content creators need protection on, from not just the creation of the content, but to the execution and the distribution of the content.